This is a semi-automatic rigid box manufacturing machine. The thick board will be going from here. Thick board will go from here, and it will fall, and it will move to this way. Then same time from here, from that side, the wrapping paper will wrapping paper wrapping paper will come from here. The wrapping paper will be stacked here. Wrapping paper will take from here. Then the wrapping paper will go, and here when the board coming from there, there's a wrapping paper coming from there. You have to manually keep. Then once the paper, manual paper, and the top paper come, then here it will make the usual shape. And before, there is a four corner taping system is there in the box. They will tape the four corner with the paper. There is an automatic taping system in the four corner, automatic taping system. Then come here and go. Then it is the box will come here.